Hi, this is Ken with Village Green, and today I wanted to show you one of our favorite plants to use. This is called a daylily. It is a Stella de Oro Daylily, and the reason it's one of our favorites is that uh, it does fine in full sun, and it is a reliable bloomer and reliable plant. It's one of those flame-proof plants that just keeps coming back year after year. So this is one that we use a lot of. We use these particularly as in front of other plants. These will go dormant in the wintertime, but it makes for a nice lower layer. This is Ken with Village Green, your neighborhood landscape company. If you like these videos, please share them with your friends and your family and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also subscribe to our quick tip emails to get more of these types of videos. Village Green, your neighborhood landscape company.